welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be unboxing a new bag that I added to my collection, so if you're interested, keep on watching. I'm not too sure how to pronounce this bag, but I'll leave the name of the bag on the screen. Then I saw this bag in stores and I really like the size and the shape of it. It's this beautiful little camera bag and it has the little luggage tag included. And it's in the monogram print with vachetta leather around the edges. So this is what the front looks like with the luggage tag. It does have a pocket up front. And the back is just the monogram print with the vachetta leather. The bottom is just a plain bottom and the top has red lining around the zipper. And it does have two zippers, and I like the size of this bag. It's in the medium size but on the smaller side. And it does come with adjustable straps, and the inside comes with a side pocket and there's plenty of room on the inside. Okay, so now we're gonna check what fits inside the bag. So I always carry my wallet. Right now I have this pack of gum. Next I have my powder. Then I take my brush with me as well. So far that's what it looks like, and there's still a lot of room in there. And then my body spray. So typically that's all I really carry, and there's still a lot of room in here. I'll just put in some glasses as well. So again, that's typically everything I carry, and there's still a lot of room. And it's not bulky on any side. So that is the unboxing and review on this bag. Let me know what you guys think of this bag. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!